In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new ProtonMail account or address. There are two different ways to do this in ProtonMail, and it's important to choose the one that matches what you need. The first option is adding a new address inside your current account, which is useful if you want another identity but still want everything delivered to the same inbox. The second option is linking a completely separate Proton Mail account so you can switch between accounts without signing out each time. If you want to add a secondary address to your current account, start by opening your web browser and going to the Proton account settings page. Sign into your main account, then open settings or all settings, depending on how your interface appears. From there, look for the section called Identity and Addresses. Open it, then scroll until you find My Addresses. This is where Proton lets you manage extra sending and receiving addresses connected to your account. Click Add Proton Address. A pop-up window will appear. In the address field, type the username you want for the new address, then choose the domain from the drop-down menu. After that, enter the display name you want other people to see when you send messages from this address. Once everything looks right, click Save Address. To protect your account, Proton may ask you to verify the action. Enter your account password, and if two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step as well. After confirmation, the new address will be active and ready to use. If you're using a free plan and can't create a permanent extra address, there's an alternative. Go to your main Proton Mail inbox, then open the Security Center. From the icon on the right side of the screen, in the Hide My Email Aliases section, click New Alias. Proton will generate a forwarding alias for you automatically. Then click Create and Copy Alias so you can start using it right away. Now, if your goal is to link a completely separate ProtonMail account, go to your current ProtonMail dashboard and click your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that opens, scroll down and select Add Another Account, or click the plus icon if that's what you see. A sign-in window will open for the second account. Enter the email address or username for that separate Proton account, then type its password and click Sign In. If that account uses two-factor authentication, complete that verification as well. Once it's linked, click your profile icon again and check the account list. You should now see both accounts available there. Select the second one to confirm you can switch over smoothly. If it opens normally, then your new ProtonMail address or account has been added successfully.